DJI officially announces an event titled Born to Fly, scheduled for August 25th. This is likely for the highly anticipated DJI Avata, as well as some accessories that have leaked online, so let's talk about it. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Anthony and welcome to Ants Drone. In today's video, we're talking about the DJI Avata, which we've been talking about in a lot of videos recently, and more specifically about the fact that DJI just announced an event, meaning this drone is right around the corner. The event is titled Born to Fly, which definitely alludes to a drone. And in the imagery for the event, we do see what looks to be like the DJI Avata from behind with light glowing underneath the drone. It's definitely a really cool look and will surely get people excited for this exciting announcement on August 25th. The event looks like it's scheduled for 9 a.m. Eastern, and it'll be interesting to see if they will start taking orders right after the announcement. My guess is they probably will start taking orders. It'll be interesting to see what the official release date is. So to read a little bit of this Drone XL article, it says, the official DJI announcement includes a photo that shows a device that is strikingly similar to the DJI Avata. It seems to be photographed from the back, showing 4 green lit LED lights and the contours of a cinewhoop style drone, including the prop guards. The announcement was made on Twitter with a link that sends you to a dedicated DJI Born to Fly landing page. Here you can click another link that will send you to the SkyPixel product tryout program. Quote, we are happy to launch our latest SkyPixel product tryout program. Become a product tester to try out the latest DJI products before anyone else. Complete the tasks for a chance to make your work reach a wider audience and to win new DJI products for free. So now let's talk about the other part that I was talking about, which were the accessories that leaked. So this Drone XL article says 9 DJI Avata accessories and pricing listed on the Adorama website. So this says, as we get closer to the launch of the new DJI cinewhoop drone, we find all the DJI accessories listed on the Adorama website, including the pricing information. Of course, once Adorama realized its mistake, the information was quickly removed. And then the article goes on to list the accessories that they accidentally posted on their website. This includes the DJI battery charging hub for the Avata intelligent flight battery, $59. DJI propellers for the Avata drone, $9. DJI ND filter set with ND8, ND16, ND32 for DJI Avata, $79. DJI 2420 mAh intelligent flight battery for Avata drone, $129. The DJI Fly More kit with 2 intelligent flight batteries and charging hub for the Avata for $279. The DJI headband for the Avata goggles, $19. The DJI propeller guards for the Avata drone, $29. DJI upper frame for Avata drone, $19. And finally, the DJI 1800 mAh battery for the Avata goggles, $39. So that is some pricing that you should expect to pay for these accessories. DJI has announced the release of new firmware for its RC Pro handset in tandem with an update to the Mini 3 Pro drone, making the two products compatible as users have been clamoring for over the last few months. Leading consumer and enterprise drone manufacturer DJI announced the release of the updated RC Pro firmware version 3.01.0900 Wednesday alongside the rollout of a new OS for the Mini 3 Pro. The upshot of the upgrades is that the two products may now be used together, answering the prayers Mini 3 Pro users have been sending up since the drone was introduced in May. At the time, DJI's long-awaited new UAV was sold only with the smaller basic RC-N1 or none at all. Until now, the RC Pro was only compatible with DJI Mini 3 and Air 2S. DJI has released a new firmware update for the Mini 3 Pro. The beginner-friendly drone has received some major stabilizations with this update. The aircraft firmware version is version 01.00.0300 and is now available for your Mini 3. So if you have it, you can update to this right now. It increases the stability of footage when using hyperlapse, which is an intelligent flight mode that enables the drone to automatically take photos and create a time-lapse video. There had been several complaints of jitteriness with the hyperlapse shots. It was especially a bummer for those who had upgraded their drone from the Mini 2 because hyperlapse is one of those things that the $449 drone cannot do unless you use a third-party flight app. Although Mini 3 Pro hyperlapse videos are now expected to become much smoother, it's worth mentioning that the last firmware update also brought along several hyperlapse improvements. So basically what they're saying is don't get your hopes up. This may not solve the issues 100%, but DJI is working to address this problem. In the meantime, the second optimization in the firmware is directed at panorama shots. DJI has increased the camera tilt angle range when shooting in panorama for better imaging of the sky. Mini 3 Pro supports 4 panorama modes: sphere, 180 degree, wide angle, and social media friendly vertical. So it doesn't look like there were too many new features added, but it does look like they're addressing some of the problems that this drone has with hyperlapse, and it also looks like that they are addressing the panorama mode to make it a little bit better. So it's nice that DJI is working to improve the drone. And if you have a Mini 3, I encourage you to be patient, because when I bought the Mavic 3 over here, it was full of problems when I got it. But now today, it is a phenomenal drone. So just give them a little bit of time to work out the issues with the drone, and honestly, I think it'll be good. I myself have not flown the Mini 3, just for full transparency, and I do look forward to the day where I do fly the drone. I just wasn't really rushing to pick one up, but it would be nice if DJI could send me some drones over here for me to review. But anyway, I just don't want to buy drones that I'm not going to fly that much. And to be honest with you, I bought the Mini 2, which is sitting up there and has a bunch of dust on top of it, because I really don't fly it all that much, to be honest. I really enjoy just flying my Mavic 3, and it is such a solid drone. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you are updated when I create new videos. And also, please give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.